Looking for the best cordless grass and shrub shears that actually get the job done without breaking a sweat? Stick around, we've ranked the top models from worst to best so you know exactly what's worth your time. Let's kick off our countdown with the Scott's Cordless Shears with Pole, coming in at the bottom of the list. While it might look like a handy all-in-one tool, especially with that wheeled telescoping pole, it doesn't quite deliver the performance you'd expect from a top contender. What it does offer is convenience. The adjustable head and upright trimming option make it friendly for your back and knees. If you have a small yard and light weeds to manage, this could be a comfortable solution, and the electric motor means no fumes or messy fuel to worry about. But the truth is, power and cutting capacity just aren't there. The blade sizes are short, and the voltage isn't enough to handle anything beyond soft foliage. And we still don't know exactly how long it runs or how fast it charges. That's not a great sign. This is for someone who needs to trim light grass edges or soft plants without kneeling or bending over. But if you want to do more than occasional touch-ups, let's check out something with a bit more muscle. And by the way, links to all the products featured today are in the description so you can grab the best deal while you're watching. Next up is the WORKPRO Cordless Trimmer, a step above the Scotts when it comes to design and portability. This little guy is surprisingly light and compact, making it great for quick small jobs in tight spaces. With its USB-C charger and a comfortable one-hand grip, this one's designed for simplicity. The dual blade system is sharp and the tool feels balanced. For trimming soft hedges, potted plants, or shaping flower beds, it performs well, especially for something that weighs less than a pound. But don't expect it to power through anything tough. Its short runtime, modest torque, and safety trigger design mean you'll be stopping a lot for breaks or to recharge. And like the Scotts, it's not going to win any awards for speed or cutting strength. Still, if you're someone who wants a no-hassle, lightweight tool for light maintenance and detail work, this is a strong option. And hey, if you're enjoying this roundup, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Now we're getting into mid-tier territory with the SakerPlus Cordless Combo Tool. It's got more versatility than the previous two, especially with its longer shrub blade and head angle adjustments. The adjustable cutting angles help you reach awkward spots and keep things ergonomic. It also runs for a solid hour, which is more than most of its competition. If you're after a step up in precision without jumping to pro-level gear, this one hits a nice balance. Still, it's not perfect. It's a bit bulkier than you might expect, and with only 7.2 volts, it struggles with anything thicker than twigs. It's definitely better than the WORKPRO or Scotts, but still firmly in the light-duty camp. If you want a little more blade length and flexibility without sacrificing comfort, this is a solid pick. But if you're trimming shrubs regularly or dealing with tougher material, you'll want more power. Speaking of which, coming in at number 2, we've got the WORX Cordless Shears, a sleek little unit that delivers way more punch than you'd think from its size. It's lightweight, powerful, and part of the larger WORX PowerShare system. This one really shines in ease of use. The dual action blades help reduce vibration and make cleaner cuts, and at just over a pound, it's super easy to control. Swapping between blades is quick, and the battery works with a bunch of other WORX tools, which is a huge bonus. There are some trade-offs though. Its cut capacity tops out at about 1/3 of an inch, so don't expect it to handle serious branches. Also, unless you buy the kit, you'll need to purchase the battery and charger separately. For someone who already owns WORX tools or wants a compact powerhouse for regular garden upkeep, this is a great choice. But if you're going all in, let me show you the top performer that really takes the crown. And here we are, the heavyweight champ of the list, the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This is the tool you want when you're done playing around and ready to take your yard seriously. This beast of a trimmer has a long 22-inch blade that can slice through branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. The dual action blade reduces vibration, and the runtime gives you a solid 20 to 25 minutes of serious trimming. It's a go-to for medium to large yards. The downsides? It's heavier than the others and the charge time is on the long side. Plus, it might be overkill for small detail work or tight garden spots. But if you want professional level performance in a cordless tool, something that clears out thick growth without flinching, this is it. The BLACK+DECKER is built for those who want more than just tidy edges. It's built to tackle real yard work. Ready to upgrade your garden game? All the links to these top tools are waiting for you in the description below. If this review helped you out, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns. Happy trimming!